This is Waupoos, my grandparents' place to be exact. It's a place where I, Michael Wright, spent a good amount of time growing up, which is a relative term. This is my cousin Ethan. He also did parts of his growing up here. Also a relative term when it comes to him. And this is Waupoos Island, an island off the landmass known as Waupoos. So as adults, relative term when it comes to both of us, we decided we wanted to take a trip over there and see if it was like what we remember from our childhood.
Spin it around.
That makes too much sense.
Oh yeah, sideways should work too. Whoa, geez. All right, made it ashore. I'm letting Ethan go first. He's bigger than me, so just means I can outrun him. So way back in the day, this used to be an old Christian camp where Christian kids would come and camp.
Where all they need to know about life.
Yeah, and Jesus. And now it's someone bought it and they fixed it all up. And yeah, it looks pretty amazing. Yeah, it used to remind me of Friday the 13th out here with these cabins.
We decided to follow the island's only road and see if it would take us down memory lane. We walked past people's houses and what looked like people's yards, but is still part of the road, and getting to the one end of the island and not having our memories jogged, we decided to go back and take a laneway, which is not technically a road like we were just on. The laneway that is not a road brought back a memory of hearing the sheep that are farmed here.
Shut up, would ya? Fucking hell, just goose it!
We could hear these noises all the way across to our grandparents' place. And as the sun was setting on our adventure, we headed back to mainland, not really solving anything. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this chronicling of us going over to Waupoos Island. And tune in next time for some more great adventures.